There's new support for women getting tested for breast cancer.
Yeah, this is really cool. In Madison earlier today, advocates, lawmakers, and members of the Early Detection Saves Lives Coalition had a hearing to support a bill. Now, this particular bill would eliminate out-of-pocket costs for supplemental screenings for women and dense breast tissue and other high-risk factors. The bipartisan effort, known as Gale's Law, could be life-changing legislation, but also cost-saving.
AB 263 calls for complete insurance coverage without cost sharing for MRI and ultrasound screening when a doctor determines that a mammogram may not be enough to determine the presence of cancer. Very simple. Most health insurers already cover a portion of this, but there can be high deductibles and cost sharing portions that really act as barriers to care.
More than half of U.S. states already passed similar laws with minimal premium impact and life-saving results. And as you may know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. A nurse at Aurora Medical Center Summit is empowering her cancer patients by sharing her own battles with cancer.
Waukesha County reporter Brett Lemoyne shows us the strength that comes from a hug.
How have you been? Good. Things have been going really good.
When Trisha Brown was diagnosed with breast cancer, she was scared.
I think coming in for chemo, you're kind of edgy, and I remember a big hug on day one.
The open arms were from oncology nurse navigator Kayla Heinrich. She's a patient's first point of contact after they receive a diagnosis.
It's usually when I hold their hand and say, I'm right there with you. You can do this. This is my story. I hope that it impacts you in a positive way.
Cancer is a constant in her life. When she was just 6 years old, Heinrich was diagnosed with kidney cancer. She beat it, but doctors warned she'd be susceptible to other cancers later in life. During a routine checkup as an adult, her doctor suggested a breast exam. Heinrich was 28 years old.
I had never done one before myself, and she felt a lump.
Heinrich's breast cancer came the same year her mother Dee Dee was diagnosed with her second round of breast cancer. The Wisconsin Breast Cancer Coalition estimates nearly 6,000 people in our state will be diagnosed this year. An early screening helped save Heinrich's life. During Breast Cancer Awareness Month, she wants women to know it can help save theirs.
So this is our bell of hope.
Patients ring this bell to mark milestones in their cancer journey. The sound isn't the only thing giving them strength.
Her willingness to share her own story helps you to see that you can get through this.
Heinrich is a proud mom and even completed a triathlon alongside other cancer survivors. These days, her strength comes with each hug she gives.
I think one of the most rewarding parts of my job is being able to have that connection with patients.
In Summit, Brett Lemoyne, FOX 6 News.
And while today is not the 6th of the month, it's still a good idea to remind your buddy to do their monthly breast self-exam. The earlier you find cancer, the better your odds at beating it. So call your buddy. Don't forget to do your own exam. If you don't already have a buddy, you can get one now. Just check out the Fox Local mobile app for all the information and join Buddy Check 6.
We heard so many inspirational stories Saturday at the lakefront. It's all about community, staying together, knowing you're not alone.
And a record crowd on Saturday for that big event.
Great.